Hey Bravo enthusiasts, get ready for electrifying news. Our upcoming release is packed with updates and features that will make your Bravo experience smoother and more powerful. Let's dive into some exciting point of sale changes. First up, we have a fantastic update on our login screen. Now, when only one user is signed in on a workstation, the password entry screen will automatically display, eliminating any extra clicks. It's all about improving efficiency and simplifying your workflow. Let's check out the new dashboard update. The side menu now expands instantly when you hover over it for just a second. It's that easy. We've even updated the Smart Search feature. The Retail Smart Search is now the default for any fast sales selected, streamlining transactions for fast and seamless sales. Last but not least for our point of sale updates, we've added a Create Repair button to the Repairs Management menu, simplifying the process of starting a repair directly from the dashboard. Now, let's dive into some exciting additions that will make handling transactions faster and easier. Introducing lab-grown diamonds to the Jewelry Estimator. With just a click, your lab-grown diamond is clearly identified and values are assessed based on your configured percentages. This gives you the flexibility to make offers on lab-grown diamonds with added support from Bravo. On the web sales front, Quantity Sales now lets you list SKU items with its available quantity, eliminating the need for multiple listings of the same SKU. This update makes managing online listings easier and more efficient for you. Hang tight, folks. This incredible feature syncs with our Baya update and will be fully functional in about a week. Next up, let's discuss the updates in our firearms section, designed to provide you with more support and enhanced visibility. For our firearm manufacturers, we've added a new A&D book layout for 07 and 08 FFL licenses. Now you can maintain compliance without needing external A&D books. Just add the country of manufacturer field when acquiring firearms, and this information will be displayed in the A&D book for accurate record keeping. Introducing our new packing slip for firearm transfers. It features clear, detailed information for each item, making it easier for the receiving FFL to log items into their gun book. Yes, please. Now, let's talk about the thrilling updates that will help us bring in new merchandise seamlessly. The Item History Report will now display the invoice number from purchase orders and receivings, helping you track historical changes to inventory items more effectively. It's all about better visibility and accountability. You may have noticed some name changes in Bravo. Bucket SKUs are now simply buckets, and product SKUs have been updated to stock. These changes aim to simplify your experience. We've also added the ability to add multiple images for stock. This provides greater flexibility in showcasing your inventory, helping you show off your inventory like never before. To make stock adjustments easier, the Edit SKU button is moving and being renamed. It will be called Stock Adjustment and will have its own tab in the stock management area. This change brings the process of adding new merchandise into one convenient spot. Auto-categorize new stock with our latest addition of the Enter Manufacturer and Enter Model fields to the Create Stock screen, ensuring accurate item categorization and reducing manual errors, making it easier for you. Let's chat about convenience. We've improved the tag printing process when bringing in SKUs. Now, after saving a purchase order or receiving, the SKU item will show on the print tag queue with an option to print multiple tags automatically. Say goodbye to manual tag printing and hello to efficiency and convenience. And now, for more flexibility, you can now select jewelry or GM tag types for non-serialized SKU tags. The tag type dropdown allows you to choose the type, determining which printer to use, customizing your tags to fit your needs. Let's explore some updates that enhance how we connect and communicate with our customers. We're enhancing customer engagement with new birthday and store anniversary mobile event templates. These auto-enabled templates for new stores celebrate special moments with your customers, helping build stronger connections and loyalty. Great news! To make it easier to see who you're messaging, the SMS dialog now proudly displays the customer's name. Lastly, let's explore the new Mobile Pawn updates designed to benefit our customers and streamline their operations. Introducing the new Mobile Pawn invite button on the tender screen. This engaging button lets employees add a customer's cell number directly, making it easier to invite more customers to join Mobile Pawn. We've even added a signature line to pay off receipts for Mobile Pawn payments. This will help reduce fraud and chargebacks through customer verification. Now receipts include payment history and a signature line for your customers to confirm and authorize their payments. Excited to learn more? Check out our detailed release notes. If you spot something you'd like to add to your product lineup or have any questions, give us a call. Thanks and have a great day.